Knowunity guide creating flashcard step by step. So here guys, I'll be teaching you how to create yourself a flashcard here in Knowunity step by step. So it can be either for your reviewer or for your friend's reviewer for the upcoming quiz or exam or something like that. But yeah, whatever it is, what you're gonna need for the flashcard. Here I'm gonna teach you how to make a flashcard right here and now there's two ways of doing that. You can type in right here, make me a flash card. There you go. As you can see, once you type that right there, you will see what's the splashball topic. There you go. As you can see right here, so the this one will be color green, like it will highlight it, and it means it's gonna make you a flashcard. Let's just say moral dilemma. There you go. That's right there. As you see, now it's preparing. Now there you go. Now it's creating a flashcard made for grade 11 about moral dilemmas. But if you're wondering how to change your grade level, here at article this here at Knowunity, you can find it on the here at how to rock it on how to change your academic level here. But now focus right here. Now the other way to do this is by pressing on the plus icon right I meant plus icon. The other way to do it is by just, let's say there's a new chat right here, or just move to the right and you'll see a flashcard right here. Then there you go. Say moral philosophy. Now to answer a flashcard, what you need to do is press on the flashcard. You can add in how many flashcards you want, but right now it automatically made only 5. There you go. As you can see, we're gonna answer a flashcard right now. Now as you can see right now, the flashcard is loading. There you go. What is the ethic in moral philosophy? You can answer that correct. What is the meta ethics? There you go. Your friends can answer it. If they're wrong, click on wrong. Now what is morality? Check, bro, check. Right there, as you see right there. There you go. So yeah, that's where it goes, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and then we'll be happy to answer you here at How to Rock It. So there you go, guys, and thank you, guys.